Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make plots in MATLAB. So let's get started. First, what we'll need to do is have some variables. So I'm going to add x and I'm going to write 0, semicolon, and then 0, 0.1, and then 10. And don't forget to add the symbol. After that, it means it's going to be from 0 to 10 with 0.1 increments. After that, you'll need to write I equals, let's say, sin, and it is inside the brackets x. After that, what we'll need to write is plot and x, y. And now just click run and you'll see the simple plot. Now you can add, let's say you want to add a different font, the color style, or etc. So to add a color style, what you can do is just write plot x, then I, and you can just type red, and this will mean the dashed line, and this will mean with circle markers. You can add the custom, let's say, X markers, and if you do that, you'll see this will be dashed and X markers. If you don't want to be it dashed, just leave 1, and as you can see, it is now not dashed. Also, what you can do is add a grid if you want to, or the x-axis label. How you can do that is just basically by writing x label, let's say time, and you can repeat that for I. So let's do that. And let's say right here is sin x, like that. And now if we run, we'll get something like that. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.